Hey friends, welcome to Ifactner.com Learn Urdu through English lesson series, and this is lesson number 16. And in lesson number 16 we will be looking at the two characters of Urdu alphabet, and those are lam and mim. We will see how do we use these two characters in the beginning of the word, in the middle of the word, and at the end of the word, and how do we combine them with different letters. So let's begin our lesson. First, lam. Lam. It is pronounced as lam, and it is a connector word or a connector letter. That means when the word starts with lam, then it is connected to the second character. For example, there is a word called lal. Lam, alif, lam, lal. And it is lam, alif, lam, lal. So you see, when we write it, we connect it with the second word. So it's lal. Lal means red. And another word that starts with lam is lagan. It is lam, gaf, noon, lagan. And we write it like this, lagan. So you see that it is being connected to the second character. Let me write it again. Lagan. Lagan means to wholeheartedly. If I'm doing something wholeheartedly with my heart in it, then it is called lagan. And it is pronounced as lagan. And it means wholeheartedly. So you see that we connect the lam with the other connector with the other uh, uh, characters, and let's see some other words. There's a word called lo. Lo, lam, wow, lo, lo, lam pesh wow. It's lam wow lo. Lo means take it. It is pronounced as lo, and it means take. And if I use the pesh on lo, then it becomes lu. Lu. Now, lu means heat wave. And if I just pesh lam, if I use it with zabar, lam zabar wow, then it becomes love. It's an English word and it means love. In Urdu, we usually write love as pyar, but nowadays we also use the word love. So this is how we use lam. Now let's see how do we use lam in the middle of the word. There is a word called ullu. Alif, lam, waw. Ullu. It is written like this: alif, lam, waw. Alif pesh, lam, waw. Ullu. Ullu. It is pronounced like this, and ullu means owl. Then we have got another word, alu. Alif mad a. Remember that alif just pronounced as a, and alif mad a is a longer version of a. Alu. Alif mad a lam waw. Alu. Alu. Alu is pronounced as alu, and it means potato or potato. Potato, whatever. So this is how we use lam in the middle of the word. And let's see how do we use the lam in the end of the word. There's a word called lal, and now it's a different lal. Lam and lam lal. So it is being written with three words, lam and lam. Lal. Lal. And it is pronounced as lal, and lal is a gemstone which is usually called ruby in English. And then there is another word that ends with lam. There are a lot of words, but we are just practicing few words. And the word is mal. Mim, alif, lam. And we write it like this. Mim, alif, lam. Mal. Mal. It is pronounced as mal, and mal means wealth. But there is another word called mali. Mim alif lam choti li. Mali. Mali doesn't mean that wealthy, but it means gardener. And now let's see how do we use the word meme in the beginning, in the end, and in the middle of the word. Meme is written like this, and it is pronounced as meme. And meme is a connector just like lam, and the shorter version of meme is written like this. So let's see that we have just discussed there is a word called mal. Mal means wealth. Then there is another word called mill. Mim ze lam mill. Mill. Mill means to meet. Meet. Mujhko mill. And if we use zabar on this, mim zabar lam mill, then it means mal. Mal. You see, mill, there's a difference between mill and mal, and mal means to rub. Then there is a word with meme and noon. Meme zabar noon man. Man. Man means desire. I have a desire for this thing. मेरा मन ये खाने को कर रहा है. Yeah, I would like to. I want. So it can be used in these manners. Now let's see how do we use meme in the middle of the word. Meme. There's a word called Amal, and meme lam, and usually when we write it like this. Amal and zabar meme lam, Amal. Amal is pronounced like this, Amal, and it means action, to act upon something, act. Like if you say something, then act upon it. So it is used in this meaning. And then there is a word with meme, umang, alif, pesh, meme, noon, and gaf. Umang. Umang is written like this: alif, pesh, meme, half meme, noon, gaf. Umang. It is pronounced as umang, and umang means a desire to something, a good desire to do some good deed. A desire to do some good deed is called umang. Now let's see how do we use meme at the end of the word. And there's a word called arm, alif, mad, meme, arm. Arm. Arm means mango. And then there is a word called usually means mom, but it's an Arabic word, so usually we use ammi, alif, meme, choti a, ammi in Urdu. Ammi means mother or mom. Then there is another word called sham, sheen, alif, meme, and we write it like this, sham. Sham means evening. So guys and girls, this is how we use letter lam and letter meme in Urdu words, in the beginning of the words, in the middle of the words, and at the end of the words. If you would like to do some more exercises, then please visit us on ifactner.com. If you liked this video, then please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Bye.